Piliin natin kung alin ang mas masarap. Tingnan natin. Pareho sila na dalandan. Kaya lang, ang pinagkaiba ay malaking malaki yung isa at yung sa kaliwa ay napakaliit. So, tingnan natin ang laman at tikman. Okay. Open natin. Open natin ito. Uy, sa nakikita ko parang matigas-tigas na rito. You know, yung parang parang ampaw. Oh, you see the laman? And then, mas mahal pa. Oh, see? Ay, nako. Disgusting. Look at the laman. Hindi siya juicy. Oh, see? Very dry. Look at that. Ang tamlay. I don't like it. About this? Tingnan natin ang laman. Ay, very juicy. Nakurot na napiga ka agad ang laman. Very juicy. Look at that. Mas maliliit siya pero juicy. Oh, you see? Very juicy. Look at that. Oh, kita nyo ang texture. Very juicy. Pero yung isa na mas malaki ay very bad. Very dry. Hindi siya juicy. Look at this. Nakita ko to. Look at the laman. And then the laman of this, malaki. The bigger one and the smaller one. Look. Oh. Ay! Oh. Dry. At saka walang taste. Hindi siya sour. Sour konting-konti. Very matamlay. Ito, tasty and juicy. So, better the smaller. Okay? Ang ingay.